Ever wonder what's really under the hood of your ham radio linear amplifier? Welcome to our walkthrough of the U.S. Ham Linear Amplifier Encyclopedia. This comprehensive guide covers every major manufacturer. We'll set the record straight on specs, often misreported online. From Ameritron to Yaesu, we've got you covered. Each manufacturer's confirmed specs, no speculation. Learn how to choose the right amplifier for your needs. We'll address common misconceptions found in online forums. Get the ground truth on amplifier performance and capabilities. Stop relying on unverified sources and get the facts. Our product, the Ham Radio Linear Amplifier Encyclopedia U.S. edition, is the ultimate resource. For just $9.99, you can have the most accurate information at your fingertips. Visit the link in our description to get your copy today. With the right knowledge, you can take your ham radio operations to the next level. Don't let misinformation hold you back. Invest in the Ham Radio Linear Amplifier Encyclopedia U.S. edition. Get your copy of the Ham Radio Linear Amplifier Encyclopedia U.S. edition for just $9.99 at the link in our description.